Assalamualaikum. Hey guys, it's your man again, and welcome to my channel, YouTube channel, Shazedur's Hidden Life, where I cover my daily vlogs, my travel vlogs, and I have a little garden, raised bed garden vlog, etc. And today's video would be so much interesting because in today's video I'd be covering Bangladesh's first railway station. Wouldn't it be crazy? So let's deep dive, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment if you like, because without that I'm nothing. You know, your boy needs motivation, and the boy word also is cool because it's a generalized format, but I will stick to man. So let's go. Let's see the first railway station. And I'm born in this place, so it's pretty usual that I will have access to it. Let's go. Let's have a crazy day today. And I don't have a gimbal, I don't have a tripod, so the video would be shaky. Keep in mind that. I'm sorry, but in the future I will improve my video, inshallah. So let's go. And here you can see the front. It's a beautiful place, mashallah. The station is near from here. You can see the little glimpse of the station. The station is in front of me. Here you can see the rail tracks. And since I don't have any equipment, my hand is literally shaking. I have to balance my hand with my other hand, and it's pretty hassle, you can say. It's pretty hassle to handle your hand with another hand. So yeah, let's go. Arrive, I guess. Yeah, you can see the station. Let me zoom it for you. The 2x zoom. Let's go. And I think I should cut it. I will cover it in the another clip. Welcome to another clip, guys. Yeah, finally I've reached the station, and station is just in front of me. It's pretty exciting, and look, it's nearly in front of me. You can see the station. Sorry for the shaky video. Isn't it beautiful? In red color. Yeah, it's beautiful. Why wouldn't be? And it has a history. The history is that in the long 1861, I guess, the British made it, and it was a connection from Jagati to Kolkata. Yeah, it's a connection from Jagati to Kolkata. Oh, what do we have here? I have my Polytechnic junior, who is Rahman.
Hello.
Polytechnic junior is Rahman. It was a pleasure meeting you. We'll be meeting soon. Bye. Yeah, here you can see that. Let's take a wide view. Yeah, here is the wide view, or you can see the full view of the station. It's called as Jagati Station, and yeah, it's pretty a tourist spot, you know. On Friday, because it's the weekend, people come here to visit it, click some photos. That you can see that my junior is also here to click some photos. Here you can see the full view. And I'm pretty mature in vlog type because I'm studying for the first time. Please ignore my flaws. So it's pretty sunny here, so ta-da, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Hey guys, the video is not ended yet. I just witnessed a little, you can see the stone mountain. Yeah, it's pretty empty space, so they stored this type of stone mountain because it's needed in this rail pedals. So let's climb it, guys. And I know it would be too hard to climb it with a phone. Anyway, let's try it. Hope we will survive. Let's go. Hope we will survive. Let's go. Yeah, guys, finally we survived. We made it. See, we finally made it. Listen. Look at the beautiful view. MashaAllah. Now you think that you're born in this place. Why would be in depressed? The depression word shouldn't be in your dictionary because this place, literally this place makes you feel happy, alhamdulillah. And look at the tree, bro. Look at the greenery. Alhamdulillah. Yeah, I'm pretty much blessed. So yeah, you can see the video is finally ended. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.